Thank you so much for staying with us here on Nation at 5. You're watching this broadcast with me, Poonam Burde. Let's get you some breaking news that's now coming in. The winter session of Parliament is underway. Prime Minister Modi is going to begin the discussion on Vande Mataram and marking the 150th anniversary of Vande Mataram. The debate, remember, takes place in Lok Sabha on Monday. Prime Minister Modi will be leading that discussion. Several other union ministers, including Amit Shah, will follow. Payal, my colleague, now joins us, getting us more details on that. Payal, what more can you share with us? How is this discussion going to go through in both houses of Parliament on Monday?
Well, of course, it's a special discussion that the government is undertaking on the 150th anniversary of Vande Mataram, which clearly means that Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be the opening speaker in Lok Sabha on Monday. That debate will get underway at 12 p.m. in the afternoon and will go on for 10 hours. So Prime Minister will lead the Lok Sabha into the discussion as well. And on Tuesday, the discussion will begin in Rajya Sabha, in which Union Home Minister Mr. Amit Shah will be the opening speaker. And in the Rajya Sabha, when the discussion closes at the end of 12 hours, 10 hours, the last speaker will be JP Nadda in the Rajya Sabha, and Rajnath Singh will be the last speaker in the Lok Sabha. That's what we are given to understand. It's a very, very important discussion, a special discussion the government has undertaken, keeping in mind that is the 150th anniversary of Vande Mataram. So obviously we know who the top BJP speakers really are. And after this discussion takes place on Vande Mataram, we'll have a discussion which will follow on election reform. So the big update coming in 12 o'clock in the afternoon, Monday, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will tell the entire country of what the significance of Vande Mataram has been and why it means so much in the present day and age, and what it means for as an inspiration for the youth of the country.
It'll be interesting to see who the speakers from the opposition ranks are that will follow and where that discussion goes. For the moment, though, Payal, thank you so much for getting us the latest on that.